Hi, my name's Kole, and the St Helens mountain bike trails are my turf, and I really love them. One way that everyone can look after them is by using the Hygiene Station behind me to decontaminate your bike. Lately, I've been noticing that some of you older riders are having trouble understanding how to use the hygiene stations. What are you doing, mate?
Pardon?
Come on. Take it like this. Hook it over using the seat. Simple. This is our hygiene station at the Flagstaff Trouthead. We also have one at the top of the Loyalatier shuttle drop-off and the midway point of the Ansons Bay Road Bay of Fires Trail. Hang on, mate. What are you doing? Don't do that. Don't do that, mate. Put it back here and I'll show you how to do it. Phytophthora cinnamomi, more commonly known as PC, is a nasty root rot fungus that's carried by dirt and kills our native plants. The first thing you need to understand is this is not a washdown station, so don't even try to get your bike clean with it. For a start, it only uses a fine spray, and that spray contains a chemical called Phytoclean. First things first, push the big green button. Don't drink this stuff. Spray all of the parts in your bike that could possibly be carrying dirt. The first place to start is to get the wheels. And under the saddle. But this is how the cool kids do it. Make sure you get the pedals and anywhere else that might carry dirt. So, you think you can do it all by yourself now? Well, the saying here is, keep it clean, your bike we mean.